What's up, Bruno? Ice cream machine in the back, churning up some delicious house-grown spearmint sorbet. Ooh, that looks nice. That looks real nice. You want something to eat, buddy? How about some roasted beet? Will my dog eat roasted beet? Mmm. Yes? That's the chef's dog right there, buddy. Chef's dog. Eating beet. He likes all his vegetables. Look at that. You like that one? You want more? Look at that.